She really changes the game in doubles. She's like anytime there's a puff on one of the teams, kind of both teams have to play differently because they're being puffed. So.
Yeah, absolutely, absolutely. For the most part, the game plan is just like, yo, get her out of my face. She's slowly come back.
Yeah, exactly. It's really good to 2v1 the teammate. You just back that a puff away. Don't try to kill her.
It's so cute. Yo, they're moving, but I mean, green team has dealt half the percent on each other.
Yeah, that's true. I love looking at the damage done stat in doubles, especially if you mess up the teammate.
Yeah.
You get in the thousands, you know? Like.
You get a homie, you're like, oh, my bad. Yeah. It's like, I said my bad 5 times in a row. I gotta make it better. Yeah. Oh, that up smash on the way out, 98% after the hit.
Finding the rest, that's it.
Oh, he lives at 180. What? That's crazy. That's one more rest opportunity.
Yeah, especially in doubles, sometimes it's more because you get jabbed out.
But that's cool. I mean, you want to go for that when you're at 180. Yeah. Like, he went for a very, like, gusto rest.
Yeah.
You're going to miss that. You know you're going to miss that, but if you don't... Oh, that's what I guess. Literally, that's what he tried before. He died for it, and now he got it.
Did he rest a landing or a roll?
Yeah,
I think it was a landing.
It was a landing, and the guy crouched.
That's insane. That's an unhinged rest.
Yeah,
go for it.
No, I played against this guy. This guy is... this guy's unhinged. His name's unhinged. It's a liluwuzivert.
Wait, is that not the fox?
I thought it was the pug. Oh no, that's Vash.
Yeah,
I'm wrong. I'm stupid.
Yeah, he's got the flag tag on him.
No, I knew it. I played against him. I knew it.
Nice. Production confirming.
Oh, that fair on the way back? Super smart. I mean, you can't try yourself there.
Yeah.
Ever. Not against someone with 5 jumps.
Puff is a character that can close out edge guards that normally can't be closed out in doubles. Like, normally, like, alright, just let him back. But Puff is like, no, it's not.
Like 2 jumps left.
Yeah. Ooh.
Oh, that get up attack saved his life there on the left side of the stage.
Yep. So, I think the one caveat to like what we said about Puff is that any team with Fox on it can kill Puff because Fox can. He's the only character in doubles that can kill Puff. So if you get Puff, like right now, Puff at 80, Falco should just never fight Puff again. He should always let Fox fight Puff.
Absolutely. He should just like do overshoot down airs, hit it by accident. You know what I mean? Like, he's looking for Fox.
Yeah.
Maybe he gets like the odd downer on the side. And like, you're trying to do that low percent, that high percent, and green team looking not in the best position right now.
Oh.
Those refs definitely carried their team. Oh my God, 21.
Yeah, the refs are so explosive that we're like, oh, green team's owning, and then you look at the stock count, you're like, oh wait.
It's about consistency.
Yeah. So you were right about the no Samus for at least game 1. So Samus. Samus, yep.
She's not that good in doubles.
Yeah, no, I think she's pretty bad.
Yeah, I think definitely like top 3 worst characters that exist.
Yeah, she has some okay thing. Like, she's a pretty good stock tank, but not better than Peach, you know?
She's just worse Peach.
Yeah. A funny team, though, that used to be played in SoCal was Samus Puff, and normally you knock Samus away in 2v1 the teammate, or you knock Puff away in 2v1 the teammate. But what if it's Samus and Puff?
Just wait, man.
There's no target to go for.
Just wait, man.
It's actually a pretty bad team, too, because you can't even grab rest because Samus doesn't grab. So.
Samus can die. But what if you do the glitch? What if you do the... Oh, 50% shine on the top.
That is kind of a brutal counter pick. It's a self-counter pick, kind of.
Yeah, I don't know if I like this. The worst part is that, like... I guess the reason why they do it is so Puff doesn't get sent to the edge like all the time.
Yeah.
If Puff is dead off the top.
Yeah, that's not better.
It's not better.
Like, don't worry, I'm back. I just lost the stock. Sometimes you feel like you just want to scrap, and this Puff definitely looks like a scrapper.
Definitely.
They're down to scrap, so they might get more random rests. Raw, landing punishes.
If only the game was better, we could have picked Fountain.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, lag. The game slightly do that.
Yeah.
Oh, the triple dip.
Yeah, it kind of changes the dynamic of this stage, because now Falco can kill Puff. And on every other stage, it was like, oh, Fox has to be there to kill Puff. But here, they can both kill Puff, so... I don't know. Even if neutral's better, I think the punish being that much better for Falco makes it hard, so...
Oh, yeah. Falco can game Puff.
Yeah, exactly.
Different. Like,
what's off the top? Even there, like, he down aired the rest, but he could have gone for just shine on the top. It kills it 50 for the round.
Yeah.
So, maybe even lower.
That's like the Ginger special, I think. There was like that one set where Ginger did it like 5 times.
Yeah.
5 times.
And he does it like short hop back and forth to mix up which side they're going to hit.
Yeah, that's...
Yeah, now it's too high, so... Now we're back to probably just let Fox go pop.
Oh, the Puff was going for a really ambitious up.
Yeah.
It's worth going for it. He just got burnt in the process.
Falco up tilt kills Puff.
Oh, whipped it. Did not need to do that. His teammate killed him. What is happening?
Don't worry, I'll wake you up. When your alarm is way too loud. Oh my god.
No.
That was so close to hitting too.
He ended up dying. That's a stock that you want to tank as Fox. You want to let, like, you're seeing your win condition is the rest.
Yeah.
You want to give as many stocks as you can to your Puff.
Oh.
Okay, he back. What, did you see that? Be off Randall?
Yeah.
That was the weirdest thing.
Carries him off.
Yeah.
Finds another back air. Nice. Yeah, so this like 2-stock deficits are like doable with the Puff, but closing out the first stock is pretty hard because you can't rest the first one. I mean, you could in theory, but you...
Anvil, that was so good!
Fully charged up smash on Randall. We love to see it.
Dude, Anvil and Fake were just carrying them for